It worked. No problem. Oh. Now what if we just close that? It goes to reboot. Okay. I don't want it to try to boot anything. Oh, wow. It's doing a cold boot. Okay. That's fine. Just sit. Good. Off. Excellent. Now we're going to just unplug the cable from the 320 gig drive. I'll leave it powered. It doesn't matter for now. I'm going to need it anyway. We're going to stick the USB drive back in. Okay, power it on. F12. I'll get rid of the CD because we're done with that for now. Well, didn't like that. Yeah, that's fine. I don't need that kind. And now we're left kind of with the same, like, it's booting USB. It's well, the light is flashing. That doesn't mean it's going to. Oh, wait. Oh, Dick! Look at that. I like that kind. This may be a custom thing. This is going on a USB 2 flash drive, so it's slow. This is a new experience for me, because the only way I've ever installed Windows 10 was through an upgrade through the OS. So I don't know if this is normal looking or not. I guess it doesn't really matter. But Jordan was nice enough to include 64 and 32-bit, although I don't know that I have any systems that can still run that, nor will the applications really, as it is, the video editor requires 64-bit. That's the only reason I was able to put it on this system. So, here we are, loading files. It's got a couple more to go. There we go. Oh, it has a new Windowsy logo. Ooh. I don't know what 10 is supposed to look like, but 8 kind of looked like that. It's so, like, can't you just view it head on? You know? Alright, let's see what happens. Great. Okay, so standard Windows install. Next, install now. Setup is farting. Oh, man, that's bad. Oh, do you smell that? Alright. It wants to activate Windows. Now. I'm going to try putting in the Windows 7 key. It ain't going to work. You know that. I don't even believe it myself. But it worked. So we think. I put in the product key. I hit next or whatever it was. The flash drive started blinking. Sat there with an hourglass for solid 30 seconds. And it brought me here. Holy shit, right? Ha! We'll accept. We'll hit next. Upgrade. No! I'll reinstall under 10 because I don't. Things may not. I don't trust that. If I'm doing it, I'm doing a clean install, booting off the flash drive. Otherwise, I would have done a fucking upgrade to upgrade. Well, I guess it could have done. Well, whatever. Custom. We're just going to dump it all. Because remember, it's already archived on the other drive. There you go. Full drive available. Next. And that's it. Copying Windows files. Now, flash drive is blinking. The light for the SSD is barely blinking. So it did that. Getting files ready for installation. Right, okay. So I don't know what's going to happen now, but we'll come back later. Okay, it just rebooted. I wasn't even watching. That was like the first part of it. I'm not going to touch anything because it's probably... Well, I don't know if it's going to go... What it's going to boot from. It looks like it's booting from USB. And I'm just going to wait this out just to see what happens. I know I could hit enter. Maybe it was supposed to boot from the hard drive instead. I don't know. Let's just see. If it comes up, hi, you know, we're going to install Windows again. You ready to go? Then I'll go and I'll redo the boot menu. Well, we'll just hit the thing. Alright, it's loading files. Probably isn't going to work, so we'll try it again. Yeah, it's about what I figured it was going to do. Okay. So now we're just going to hard power off. It's supposed to hard power off. The flash drive blinks when I do that. Let's hold the power button. Again. Now it worked. Okay. That's fine. F12. Because again, the boot order, this has like 3 different boot orders it could use. And it's all fucked up because I fucked the drives up. That's okay. Boot the hard drive now. Proper boot. Ah, that's different. Excellent. So now it's going to continue with the Windows. It changed something. Okay, getting devices ready, starting services, blibbity blobbity blue. Getting devices ready. They're already ready already. There we go. Oh, now it's getting ready. It's millennial. Or Gen Z. You know, getting ready. What are you talking about getting ready? It's been ready. The machine has been ready. Windows can't get its shit together because, you know, because it's Windows. Oh, look at that crunch around. Isn't that nice? It is working my SSD and the flash drive. I don't know what it's going to do. But it looks like it's taken a long time and it's slow. Which means this is not going to necessarily be a long-term solution machine, but should tide me over for some time. And, you know, if I were smart, then I would go and get another system ready. And yeah, they're in storage. They're waiting. But, you know, I used what's given to me in the order it was. So this is older shit, and it's better than what I got. So maybe it's going to just be Windows 7. I don't know yet, but we can always just image it right back, and it'll be ready. This probably never will. It got ready, and then it rebooted. Some dust or something back there. I'll get rid of that. Oh, I wanted to go in the... Well, shit. Control S. Something. Okay, good. Boot off the hard drive. Right. It's booting. Okay, that was quick enough. It's checking its phone. It's checking its phone for shit. It's busy on its fucking phone. Oh, just a moment. I'm on my phone. Just a moment. How many moments? This doesn't have to be instant, but stop leading me on. Give me a progress bar. Tell me something's happening. And if I keep badgering it, are you ready yet? Are you ready yet? Are you ready yet? It won't yell back, you know? Just a moment. This is a hell of a just a moment. Flash drives blinking, hard drives blinking. I don't know how to use Windows 10. Not much. I never really kind of learned. Like, control panel, I just kind of hit Windows and then type cont, and then it comes up. Or settings, is it now? They changed it? I don't know. I don't need all of this fucking malarkey and bullshit. I didn't want to go this route, but it's unfortunate that this is what it's come down to in life. We are controlled by, pretty much, the internet now. If your system can't run stuff, it's not because the machine has been outdated, in essence, but more because the internet has been upgraded to faster and bigger and better things. Let's start with region. What if I don't want to? Well, who's let's? Let us? This isn't human, this is a computer. Is this right? Well, I don't know. Did you take an educated guess? And why is the flash drive still blinking while we stand here? It's got sound. Maybe it's reading for that. I don't care. I could get a speaker. I made one. Is this the right keyboard layout? Yeah. You want to add a set? I don't need this shit. Now we have some important setup to do. Oh, only now? Oh. We're up to the not work step. So that's good. Sit back and relax while we work our magic. Please don't turn off your device. God forbid you call it a computer. It might fucking be offended. You have to call it a device. Because it can run on other platforms. So we don't want anybody to get offended here. Still setting things up. Can you talk to me? Like sometimes I go to the bank and I go to the ATM and I walk up and the screen says, hiya. I'm like, I don't fucking think so. I don't need that shit. If there were a person there who said that, I'd be like, this is New York. Thanks for your patience. Whoa. You sure you don't want to share it on like Fuckbook or something? We're still working. Oh, God, I hate it. I hate it. At the bank, it's like this is a business that is dealing with my money. I don't need hire from a machine. Okay, we got through this part of setup. Apparently not. Oh, here we go with just a moment again. Another just a, okay, now we're on to account. Let's add your account. One account connects your device across Microsoft apps and services like Orifice, ToDrive, Microsoft Bleeding Edge, and the Microsoft Store. Email, phone, or Skype. What if we just hit create account? Let's create your account. Enter your email. No, I don't want that. Let me fuck with this. Good news. If you've used Office 365, Xbox Live, OneDrive, or Outlook.com, you may already have a Microsoft account. If you'd prefer not to have a Microsoft account associated with your device, you can remove it. Finish going through Windows setup, Then select the Start button and go to Settings, Account, Your Info, and select Sign in with a local account instead. I am now forced to create a Microsoft account. Good news! I have one! Enter your country, region, and birth date. If a child uses this device, select their date of birth to create a child account. What if I don't enter a date of birth? Great. Now I have to go and enter the code they sent to the email address, but I can't check that because the computer is not working yet. Do I need this shit? Help us beat the robots. Please solve the puzzle so we know you're not a robot. Okay. Use the arrows to rotate the object to face in the direction of the hand. Okay. Submit. One done. Verification complete. Continue your action. How do I continue my action? It's not doing anything. Oh, there. Now it decided to. Oh, now we get to wait again. Wow. This is painful. Create a pin? Oh, man. Alright, let me run through this shit. Finally, some normalcy. Always have access to your recent browsing data. Not now. Location. Okay, diagnostic data. No, fuck them. Tailored experiences. Nope. Find my device. It's right here. Nope. Inking and typing. Send optional inking and typing diagnostic data to Microsoft to improve the no. Advertising ID can use no. I shouldn't even give it location, but alright. Jesus. What now? Skip. Use your Android phone from your PC. Make and take calls. Send text messages. Use your mobile apps. Well, do remind me later. That might... We'll see. You know, it's never going to run on this old piece of shit, but we could just opt out later. Sure. Yeah. At least it moved all the way over to serve. Oh, great. Oh, I'm in luck. Holy shit. Wow. Fucking nope. Fucking nope. Oh, man. Oh, look at that. Now a game. $11.99 a month. Nope. Let Cortana help you. Nope. Holy shit. Hi. We're getting everything ready for you. You did that half an hour ago. This might take several minutes. Don't turn off your PC. Oh, now it's okay to call it a PC and not a device. This is so fucking painful. I can't even. I remember this part from Windows 8 and Windows 10 in my tail end at Tiny Middle. So let's see. The SSD light is blinking every now and again, rapidly-ish, for a very, very quick blink. Okay, well, it's going to be several minutes.